こんばんは。お元気ですか？マークと言います。私のチャンネルへようこそ. Hey guys, welcome back. What I just said was good evening. How are you? Call me Mark, and welcome to my channel. Today, as you can see, it's evening on Sunday, so I'm making this video for Monday, but I kind of had a breakthrough. Now, if you watched the last episode, which is episode 2, you saw the resources that I've been using so far. So right now I'm a couple months in, like a month and a half in, or a little bit more, or sorry, 2.5 months or a little bit more into learning Japanese. And if for some reason you're just hitting this episode first, check out the couple other episodes I did before this one, which kind of gives an introduction on what I'm doing and why I'm even making these videos. And then it also talks about some of the resources that I'm using. But one of the resources that I just started using, it's got to be less than a month, maybe 3 weeks ago, was Duolingo. Duolingo is an app that basically you can download it for free, and it goes through teaching you parts of the language. Now, I was using this app, and I actually used this app for a different language before, just really messing around. Like, somebody told me about it. Maybe it was Polish, because I know a little bit of Polish. You know, I was conversational at a conversational level in Polish, but I lost it because I wasn't talking to a lot of people in Polish. But I think I was using Duolingo for that, and I was just scratching the surface. I started using it a few weeks ago to help me learn Japanese. And one thing I realized just a few days ago was they have this neat little, well, there's a couple things, and I will point all these things out. Hopefully, maybe I'll put some graphics up on the screen to kind of show you what I'm talking about. I don't know if that's like a copyright thing, but I'm not getting sponsored by Duolingo. I mean, it would be awesome if I was getting sponsored by them, but I'm not. I just think this is really cool, and you guys should check it out. So basically, in the app, it starts off with these circles. So you choose a language, and then it has these circles, and the circles kind of go through some basic steps before it actually really gets you into the language. And at least that's what it looks like for Japanese. I'm not even at the part where it starts teaching me greetings. It's just throwing words at me and getting me used to how the characters look. So hiragana and the katakana, I think it's katakana, and then the kanji. So it's mixing all three of those characters, which are letters and characters combined. It's kind of, I'm not good enough right now to really explain it to you, but basically it's got these little circles. You get through kind of the basics, where it's just introducing you to the language, and then you get to the actual learning of words, and I'm assuming phrases too. So since I knew a little bit of Japanese from some of the resources that I was using before, like Google Translate and YouTube, before I even started to mess around with the Duolingo app, I actually knew a couple things. But there's so many cool, neat little, what do they call it, Easter eggs within the app that you can use that'll help you out like crazy. So when you tap on the circle, there's a pop-up that says, like, start for how much experience points, XP. Now, in that menu, there is a couple little icons at the top right of that little box where that button is. Like I said, I'm going to try to put graphics on the screen, but it's pretty clear. So you tap on the circle, you see the button that says start, but then at the top right of that same box, there is a little light bulb. Those are tips. My goodness, when you go into the tips, it really breaks down everything in the language. I mean, it's incredible. I want you guys, if you download the Duolingo app, check out those tips. Let me know what you see and how easy it is to kind of learn based on just the tips alone. Like, not even going through the different courses, even though I'm pretty sure you have to go through the courses to even gain access to the tips. But if you do start messing around with Duolingo for any language, hit that circle before you even start the session or the course, Go through the tips first. They teach you so much, and they actually give you the answers to what's in the course. Another little cool thing that I noticed is if you don't, so the free version allows you to run out of lives essentially before you have to wait like 5 hours or something like that to get more lives back, so you can keep using the app. If you don't want to do that, you can pay for it. But there's kind of a cheat way to do it until you start getting into the more advanced versions of the courses. The cheat way is to actually tap on the words that it's trying to get you to figure out. And it'll give you sounds. Sometimes it'll actually give you the spelling and the meaning. So there are some cool things. I would try, like I said, with my video editing skills at a very basic level. Put some graphics up here and show you guys. But yeah, I really wanted to give you that video just to tell you I'm really having fun with Duolingo, and I'm still watching my YouTube videos. I'm actually going to be meeting with my friend Mika this week, so as that gets closer, I'm getting kind of nervous, but I think I have some sentences down, some things that I can talk about, and I'm still working on my vocabulary. So my numbers are pretty much down though. Ichi, ni, san, yon, go, roku, nana, hachi, kyu, ju. So I'm up to 10. I'm going to be working on that, and I'm going to be filling you guys in. So I will see you next week. Thanks for stopping by, and leave a comment in the description, especially if you use Duolingo, and let me know what you think. All right, sayonara.